Join us as we embrace the spirit of an osprey, taking flight from the heart of Betka, where the land whispers tales of the sea. We lift, our wings caressing the breeze, rising from the car park to hover over the sandbar, nature's own sculpted gatekeeper to the river's journey. We turn gracefully, a gentle left, swooping past the seagulls that line the river shore, our kin in the dance of the winds. Skimming just above the water, close enough to touch its soul, we turn again, this time to the right, our gaze capturing the horizon where clouds like cotton stretch lazily across the sky. Now we point ourselves southward, gliding down the beach, rising ever so slightly. As we cross where the river once met the sea, now bound by the sand, our eyes catch the famous Betka beach rocks. Upward we climb and gaze into the sapphire embrace of the waters below. We journey south, down the beach, past rock formations and gentle cliffs. To our right, the land bears the scars of rebirth. Greenery claws back its domain while dead trees stand in monochrome defiance, gray and white against the resurgence of life. We hover above the rock pools, our shadow an ephemeral touch upon the earth, and then we spin out to sea. Gazing back toward the mouth, there's a silence, a breath held. We reverse, pulling away from the shore, our view expansive as we look back towards the river. As we turn southward once more, the beach unfurls below us in its full glory, stretching all the way to Mummy Rock, Quarry Beach, the airport, and beyond. Our eyes then wander to the west, where low hills rise like slumbering giants. We descend, coasting downwind towards the midpoint of Betka Beach. Here lies Point Danger, a name etched by history's quill, where shipwrecks whisper to the stones, and waves now sing their eternal lullabies. As we gaze down the beach, the landscape offers secrets. Caves hidden behind golden sands, more rocks, and pools revealing themselves as we glide over. Zooming into the river mouth, we spot the lookout, the bridge over the river bend. Directing our flight downwards, we traverse north along the beach. The waves craft their own music upon the rocks, the beauty of the sand unspoken, yet felt. We ascend, taking in the vista of waves meeting rock pools, a path winding above, inviting wanderers to witness this spectacle. As we draw back west, capturing the dance of the ocean's waves, the distant clouds, the palette of blues deepening as it touches the horizon. A tilt of the wing, and we behold the Howe Ranges again, guardians to the north. Sideways now, we coast down the beach back towards the river mouth. The river waters dark and still below us, a deep coffee stain from the tannin washed from the bush, a natural artistry of the land. We fly over the road, approaching the bridge that leads into town, the lifeblood of a community intertwined with nature's rhythm. Circling north beyond the bridge, the Howe Ranges too stand tall behind the serene expanse of Malakuta Lake. Bastion Point and the distant Gaibo Island emerge on the horizon, if you look closely. Climbing to 100 meters, we pan across the horizon, a tableau of puffy white clouds and the solemn gray of an approaching eve. Turning south, we drift towards the river mouth, descending to kiss the water's surface. The picnic grounds come into view, with people savoring the moment and paths inviting footsteps. We glide lower, the seagulls remain, sentinels to our flight. The river's story continues, and so does the land's revival. As we draw our journey to a close, we return to home base, the picnic area, descending as the narrative ends. Thank you for joining our flight, for witnessing the beauty and the transformation of Betka through Osprey eyes. This view contrasts to the images of 2020, now found on our YouTube channel, where the aftermath of fire left its mark. Today, the land boasts of its resilience. Find more of these vistas on our YouTube channel at Malakuta 2020, or visit our blog at coota.au, coota.au. Thank you. Farewell.